The United States of America, a land of contradictions, ambitions, and influence. From the skyscrapers of Manhattan to the quiet towns of the Midwest, American society is a complex tapestry woven from diverse threads of history, culture, and identity. At its core, American society is shaped by its immigrant roots. Generations of people from around the world came seeking freedom, opportunity, or refuge. The result is one of the most ethnically and culturally diverse nations in the world. But diversity is only one part of the American story. Religious freedom is a foundational principle in the U.S. While Christianity is the dominant religion, American society includes a wide range of faiths, and those with no religion at all. This pluralism reflects a broader cultural value, the right to choose, express, and believe freely. Education is highly valued, though access and quality vary. Top American universities are known globally, and innovation is a cultural driver. The American dream, the idea that hard work leads to success, has fueled generations of entrepreneurs and thinkers. Lifestyle in America can vary widely. Suburbia represents a significant part of American life. Cars, single-family homes, shopping centers. The culture emphasizes independence and self-sufficiency, often reflected in how people live and work. Food culture is as diverse as the population. From burgers and fries to sushi, tacos, and soul food, American cuisine is a fusion. Yet, fast food remains a dominant symbol, representing both convenience and the consumerism that defines parts of American life. Entertainment is one of America's biggest exports. Hollywood, pop music, streaming platforms, all shape global culture. Sport also plays a key role. Football, basketball, and baseball aren't just games. They're rituals, identities, and billion-dollar industries. Family structures are shifting. While the traditional nuclear family still exists, single-parent households, blended families, and chosen families are increasingly common. At the same time, individual rights, personal freedom, and equality are ideals that Americans consistently debate, protect, and redefine. Politics are deeply embedded in American identity. Democracy, freedom of speech, and civic duty are central values, though the nation often grapples with polarization. Still, there is pride in the idea of a government by the people. Activism is part of American DNA. From the civil rights movement to modern campaigns for equality and justice, society evolves through public discourse and grassroots action. The right to protest, to demand change, is not only protected, but essential to the American story. Capitalism drives the U.S. economy. With it comes innovation, competition, and wealth, but also inequality, consumerism, and financial risk. The gap between rich and poor is growing, sparking debates on healthcare, education, and taxation. The land itself is vast and varied, from deserts to mountains, cities to plains. Rural and urban life can feel worlds apart. Yet, both are part of the national identity, reflecting a culture where regional pride runs deep. Tradition in America doesn't mean uniformity. It means a blend of customs, celebrations, and stories passed down, reshaped, and shared. Every cultural group brings something vital to the American mosaic. American society is complex. It's a nation of contrasts, freedom and inequality, wealth and poverty, innovation and tradition. But it is also a nation constantly in motion, rewriting its story with every generation. This is America, complicated, evolving, alive.